Hi, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to cover your face on your videos. In case you are shy or hate to show your face on social media, this tutorial is for you. Let's jump on it. Firstly, you need to open Capcut application on your phone. Select New Video, and then select the video you want to cover the face.
Hello, and welcome to day 8.
Press Add. This video is too long, I will cut for 5 seconds only. Alright, now look at the bottom menu. Press sticker and select any kind of sticker you like. Emojis, sensors, or anything. For example, I choose sensor sticker to cover the face. Press done. Drag the duration of that sticker as long as you like. And then move the sticker and resize the sticker until cover up all the face. After that, go back to the bottom menu. Find and select tracking. Move the pop-up circle to the face, and then adjust the circle size until it's fit. After you're done, you can press Start Tracking. As you can see, the sensor sticker start following his face anywhere his head move.
Hello, and welcome to day 8 out of 100 of speaking into the camera for at least 60 seconds. Hello, and welcome to day 8 out of 100 of speaking into the camera for at least 60 seconds.
The tutorial is complete. You can export your video to your gallery. Oh, before I forget, if you think this video is useful, please leave a like and press share button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.
Hello, and welcome to day 8 out of 100 of speaking into the camera for at least 60 seconds.